So nice.
What? Shh. Shh.
Ay, ay, ay.
These kicks.
We're doing all the mukbang.
Mukbang.
Oh.
Totes my goats.
Okay, crossing your arms for me. Chin down. That's it. Leaning back onto me. Oh, that's it.
That was good.
I'm going to move you right there. Hands right here, my dear. So first we're going to do the lumbar spine. And we're going to go just like that. I'm going to hold you here just as a reminder. I'm going to contact here, and then I'm going to lean over you because the force comes between the hips or the pockets there. So breath in, all the way out. Hips relax. Shoulders relax, just like that. All the way.
Oh,
wow.
Oh my God.
That was a big motion.
That was a big motion.
Good. Scoop like that.
Whoa.
Oh. That's it.
Let your head drop. That's perfect. There you go. Drop. That's it. That's all. Your head drop. Cat. That's it. Nice and easy.
Oh my God.
And again, drop.
Oh. Right here.
Hands go on mine on this one. Like this? Yep, there we go. Elbows a little closer together. There you go. Oh! Holy cow. And then your hands go right on top of mine. Yep. Okay, just relax for me. Oh, very good. Those are loud. There we go, let that just roll towards me. That's it, nice and easy. Oh, fantastic. That was a good one. Going to look like I'm going to choke you. I promise not to. Okay. It's just going to go like this. Nice and easy. That's it.
Face that way. We're going to adjust your upper back. So turn this way and then head down. I'm going to put my hands here behind your neck. So I'm going to go like this.
Okay.
Get all this hair out of the
I know,
way
it is.
here. There we go.
That's
No, you're good. And then head down. My hands go here. Yours are going to go on top of mine. And then squeeze down. Here, interlock your fingers for me. Interlock, and then squeeze down, and breathe in. And fall back into me. Fall. Look up. Wow. Huge motion. That was awesome.